Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Today I'm going to share with you a pattern called sugar pattern. It's been called sugar pattern because the way the pattern forms, like the way they arrange cube of sugar inside its own packet, the way it looks, I think that's how the name sugar pattern come about. Because when you look at, maybe for example, if you have been used to St. Louis sugar, the cube, the way they arrange it in lines like that, that's why I felt that's why the name come about sugar pattern, and is a family of talks pattern. So I'm going to share this moment how to knit the sugar pattern. So I've already cast on 20 by 20 needle. So the tension I'm using is tension 8. So I've knitted some row as my background row. So I'm going to put my carriage on hold on, then I'm going to select my needle into the to form the pattern. So I'm going to leave 3 needles and go to the number 4 needle and push it on hold on, just like that. I will leave 3 needle and push number 4 needle out, 3 needle and push number 4 out, just to the end of the needle that you cast on, just like that. Then I'm going to change my color, my yarn, the color of the yarn I fix on, because this is 2 color of it. To knit the 2 color, you can do it in 2 colors of it, you can do it in 1 color, so it's just going to be like a texture part of it. So I'm doing 2 colors of this sugar pattern, so I'm going to go 4 times with this color on, and I've already put my carriage on hold on. So I'm going to go 4 times. You remember, when you are bringing your needle out to E position with hold on, that is, the needle that is on hold on position is going to carry a lot of yarn on top, a lot of wool on top. So you need this to hang on it so that it can be perfectly knitted without losing any stitches. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to close it with 2 rows by putting my hold on back. Then knit 2 rows of this color, background color again. You see the way it's hard. Okay. Kind of hard there. So 2 rows, that's the second row. Get to go back to normal tension. Then I'm going to follow the same order in this pattern. I'm not going to change my order. The same needle 4, I will leave 3 and go to needle 4, then push every 4th needle out after you have leave 3 on working position. So I'm going to go to the 4th needle and push them out, then change the wool, press my hold on, put the second color on and knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to change this. Hold on. Then let me see, because my weight have to work there to make the carriage move perfectly without not being stiff. Okay. in and knit this. The knot knits well. I guess the weight there is not perfect enough. Now I'm going to add some weight on it again. Okay, then the second one, then just go back to the same needle and change my color. Press, hold on, change my wool and press hold on, then knit for hold on position for E. Maybe not too much. So I think I need to add weight here. Okay. Then put the machine on working position. Need to do. You see? So this is it, guys. Just want to make sure you see it clearly. So I'm going to push number 4 needle out. You can see it. This, and this to the end of the needle. They are on hold on. They are on E position, meaning they are going to be on hold on for my 4 rows of pink. So I'm going to change this and put the pink on. So then I'm going to press hold on because they are on E position. So I'm going to knit my 4 row on this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to remove this. Then press this back. Then knit 2 rows of the pink color. Sorry, milk color. So two row. 1. I have surplus there. 2. So that's it. You can see it clearly. The way I explained earlier, the way sugar cube arranged on the carton of sugar box. I guess that's why it's been named as sugar pattern. So you can see this is the back side of it. This is the back side of it, the wrong side of it. So you can actually use the wrong side or the front side, and you can do it with one color, like you are using one color wool throughout. So it's going to be a texture like it's going to be a texture like pattern. So but this time around it's in 2 colors, so it's going to give a kind of bubble and a plain box like that to explain why it's being called sugar pattern. So let me just make more of it. Then we now get to see the front side of it. So let me make few more pattern, then we see. So one, two, three, four. One, two. Okay, I've knitted plain row, so for me to fold it out, and let's see how the front side is. So we go away with this. You can see how the patterns look like, just like the way I explain it. It's just in a box with a line that make it to look like a box pattern. So this is sugar pattern, guys. I hope you will try yours. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget and like this video. Bye.